Greetings to you all. Welcome to Creative Writers. Pen Crowns Vision. Date 13th April 2021. And the topic is rain. Here comes student Amirtha to recite all the poems. Welcome, dear.
Mrs. P.R. Kalyani, Rain, Hikers. After a fight, the clouds begin to shed tears, weep or cry, depends. Earth takes a fresh bath after sending permission via nice, cool, fresh breeze. No geometrical scale, every drop is connected with points, forms a straight line. Petrichor spreads all over, connects the earth and the sky, realize the divine presence. Mrs. G. Sarala. Rain is the greatest gift and is our dear friend to uplift. In all the wings for us to peacefully swing. So harvest rain, the next generation to gain. Unless the rain wets the land, giving the tree a big hand to provide oxygen and shelter for the human race as the starter. The rain or the clouds tear, later beautifies the sky clear. As human after a weep, console thyself to reap, stepping ahead for the future, hand in hand with the nature. At rainy season, happiness frozen, and for hardships and soup, tongue yearns. To prepare mother-in-law helps and governs. Electricity thrills by curdling out. Children's with granny played about. Indoor games and stories enthusiastically with cherish. Oh, welcome rain to drain or strain. Mrs. Sabina Salam, reminiscence of rain. Outside the classroom, heavy rain lashed, with no umbrella at hand. In torrential downpour, will get drenched, thought so. Dashed out of the class, enjoyed every droplet. The ravishing rain brought in solace to the poor soul from the round-the-clock routine. Drenched from head to toe, got into the bus, nearing home, bus halted. A bright sunny day greeted me, along with weird stares from onlookers. I shouted out, once in a while, just go walking in the rain. Mrs. S. Shyamala. Oh, rain, come every day. Come visit me on my way. Neither I welcome you for the public cause, nor to enjoy and relish at your drizzles. Perhaps so selfish I am to your eyes, but I need you to hide my cries, which rolls down from my eyes for years. There's no hope of being in cheers. I let not my tears known to anyone, or to be a thing of sympathy to everyone. I have none to care and none to share. Come visit me on my way, accompany me for all day. Mrs. Jhansi Rani. Even after the rain, a beautiful flower retains its tint and fragrance. Even after the rain, the blazing sun regains his warmth and brightness. Even after the rain, the rivers appear with its purity and fresh water. Even after the rain, the tearing sky awakens from its pitch darkness. Even after the rain, the shore searches a new horizon. Then why can't we, Mrs. V. Tamil Selvi? Rain, rain everywhere, raining to everyone. Pour here and there, kids are playing its shower. Raining spreads its fragrance, where rainbow comes colorful. Every trees and plants are joyful, when they are grateful of its generous. It pours not only for farmers of happiness, but also gift for all creatures of nature. We never bother of drying river. We must wait to drought landscape. Only source live on land, wet its pour with kind heart. We take response to protect. Its chillness lay out all around. Mrs. V.T. Kavita. Oh, blessed rain, your gentle kiss sprout up, deep buried seed. Your downpour sustains the life on earth. You entertain the kids like sugarcane and send you their dreams through paper boats. Your shower makes the lovers lane, and they build castles in rainbow. You remain pure and for sure. You are a seductive wild, creating unceasing cold in me. And I remember my love's warm showering when your drizzling cools the meadow. My emotion is intense. You can say that again as a hurricane. I welcome you, rain, for you give no pain. Freshness everywhere is our gain. You are melodious and sprinkle refreshness everywhere without fair. We are aware that you never compare and make the atmosphere fair. Mrs. B. Deepa. Heaven showers and fills the thirsty souls with its mighty arm that covers the earth with watery warmth, chills the heart cordial to heart. The hands of rain wipes the tears, pats on the head, consoles and kisses the forehead, hugs as lovable foster mother. Its petrichor fragrance reveals the bond. Mr. Dr. P. Mahadevan. Rain, rain, where do you reside? We want you to be near our side. Your omnipotential we know, a lot of things to you we owe. People want to save you in the purest form. You're essential to nurture a nursery farm. You remain as the main source of water, but sometimes you send the people to the doctor. Children love to play in your shower and wonder at the rainbow of your power. More trees and forests bring you down. In D-League, you devastate the town. Plant and save more trees to get rain. Save the rainwater to have more gain. Mrs. S. Lakshmi. Pitter patter, rain, rain. Splash, 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 silver lightning. Crack, 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 heavy thunderstorm. You are the gifts of angel sky. Dropsy, 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 falling rain. I'm the lover of rhythm of rain. Pearl rain, pearl rain, pearl rain. Awesome rain, drain all my pain. Oh rain, diamond rain. You are the gift for blue-green earth. Oh rain, you're not just drops of water. You have the love for earth, that's the matter. Mrs. Jhansi Rani. My eyes have for ages been shedding tears like rain on sea tempest, in expectation of any of the drop falling into the oyster, turning into a beautiful pearl. But in blurring, they couldn't see the age crept in silence. Mrs. Dr. Mary Suresh. Oh, hail rain, how wet the soul without touch, how changed the mind mysteriously such, how fragrance after steep thud, how anesthetic season in mud. Oh, drizzling rain, trillions of water drops chill, mind and heart chatting shrill. How touch the heart meticulously, how intrude the mind smoothly. Mrs. P. Alice. Rejoice wholeheartedly when rains. Awesome feel rain brings. Ensures hopeful heart of farmers. Noteworthy reactions rain pours. No rain, no water but drought. Blessed bright future brought. Drizzles started pouring, enlightening all souls enjoying. Rain showers heavy due to storm. Pleasant normal showers make us calm. Companion of fields and plants, lifetime need for all living beings. Mrs. S. Yamanipriya. The sky becomes gloomy, a roaring thunder, the ray of lightning, the petrichor in the air, sends us a forward about the arrival. Oh, precious rain droplets fallen from the sky, an energetic tonic to the crops will never say bye. Oh, dazzling droplets to drench everyone, to row paperboards, to have great fun, remind to have a raincoat. Oh, wondrous rainfall! You give a sign of hope. Trees and plants look elegant after downfall. Without you, no life on globe. You are farmers' expectation, kids' enjoyment, nation's wealth, the universe treasure. Mr. Apurv Devgan. Oh, rain, the messenger of hope. I always wait for you because when it rains, I feel like all my dreams have come true. You bring happiness in the life of one and all. Children enjoy you, while farmers enjoy too. You're the reason for everyone's smile. I too go for long cycle riding once in a while. I enjoy rain of friends, rain of letters, rain of guests. Oh rain, you're always welcome. Come again and again. Yes, I always wait for rain. Mr. Apurv Devgan. If you really want to enjoy rain, come and sit in my eyes. They never get dry. My eyes are always wet with love because they want that when you come, you fall in love with me. Nothing else you try, so they never get dry. Mrs. Sumati. Life is full of beauty. Clouds come floating into life as sadness to pass through. Thunder enters life as problems to face. A flash of lightning is there to save us everywhere. At the moment it started raining, everything will be washed away. Rain washes the filth around us. Tears wash all our pains. Some people avoid rain as avoiding the hindrances. Some people simply get way as letting the intricacy in its way. Some people walk through as confronting everything boldly. Refresh yourself with rain. Mr. K. Ramesh. Roots of the trees search the water intensely. Leaves of the trees pray to the cloud immensely. To take a bath and clean the upper part, to take some rest to the lower part. The heavy cloud wishes to stay in the uphill. The heavy cloud fall in love with the hills. She danced in and around. The rainy baby born as a treasure will. Touched top to bottom to cool and provide the effect as a sleeping pill. After delivery, the cloud flew and reached the seashore. The rainy baby dragging something to the shore. Greedy human creature demolished the hills for treasury bills. The heavy cloud worried and got mad, took suicide pills. The selfish human being searching the cloud with radar, finding the root cause absent of drinking water, found some alternate ways to get semi-drinking water. Other creatures disappeared later for that fresh water.
You have recited in a wonderful manner. Thank you, dear creative writers, for your awesome verses. Really amazing. Thank you. Keep penning.